Hello friends, welcome back to new vlog of TripAdvisor. Today's video, let's see how to take cool photos like this using balloons.
You can take photos by holding the balloon near to the face or in the background. Most of the photos in this video are taken using portrait mode, but few photos are taken using normal photo mode. Though I tried both portrait and normal photo mode, I personally liked more on the portrait photos with balloons. Keep in mind that focus on the face is correct and in the frame you have balloons and you can take random photos. Better to tie all the balloons together, and also you can prefer outdoor location like a garden to get better photos. Light was low for few photos, so I used Gallery app in iPhone to edit the photos by adding little brightness and little sharpness. You can also find the other photography technique videos in my channel using the links mentioned in the description. Let me know your feedback after trying these photography techniques in the comment section below. See you with another video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.